Okay, here we go on a quick tour of my latest garden beds. Here we go. You can possibly see down here drip irrigation. And the vertical trellises, the mulch, and the large 7-foot archways above the walkway here. I plan to grow fruits and vegetables up. And over here you can see the bricks, which I usually grow flowers in to attract pollinators. Here's the last set of beds here. And on the wall I got some more vertical growing going on here with gutters. And I have strawberries in one of those gutters right now. Here's the watering system. It goes up to the gutters, over to the bricks, which all get watered too as well. And then the big line goes here to the beds. Which provides drip watering for all the beds. Still got to mulch these last 2 beds. I also put a little bit of topsoil on top, a little bit of fertilizer, and mix that all in, and then I'll put the mulch on top. And these beds will be complete and ready for planting. Hope you enjoyed this tour. Have a great day.